Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Elira. She lived in a grand palace surrounded by golden gardens. Elira had a magical bird unlike any other. The bird's feathers shimmered with rainbow light. It was called Varan, the truth bird. Varan had a special power. It could only speak the truth. No lie could escape its voice. Whenever Varan spoke, secrets were revealed. Even hidden thoughts became known. At first, the princess loved the bird. It helped her understand people better. It protected her from deception. But soon, things began to change. The court grew nervous around Varan. Ministers avoided speaking freely. Servants whispered in fear. No one wanted their secrets exposed. The palace felt tense and uneasy. Even the king grew worried. One day, a nobleman visited the palace. He brought expensive gifts for the princess. He praised her beauty and kindness. Everyone admired his charm. But Varan suddenly spoke loudly. "He seeks the throne, not love," it said. The hall fell silent. The nobleman's face turned pale. Guards quickly seized him. His plan was indeed true. The king praised the bird. "It has saved us from betrayal," he said. But others felt uncomfortable. Truth was becoming dangerous. Another day, a maid served the queen. She smiled sweetly. But Varan spoke again. "She steals jewels at night," it revealed. The maid broke down in tears. Her secret was exposed. Slowly, fear spread across the kingdom. No one felt safe anymore. Even small secrets came out. Friends argued and fought. Families were torn apart. The truth was too powerful. Princess Elira became sad. She loved honesty but not pain. She started avoiding Varan. But the bird always followed her. One night, Elira sat by the window. She looked at the moon silently. Varan perched beside her. "Why are you sad?" it asked. "Your truth hurts people," she replied. "Truth is never wrong," said Varan. "But it can break hearts," she whispered. The bird became quiet. For the first time, it felt unsure. Could truth really harm? The next day, the king held a meeting. He spoke of sending Varan away. The court agreed nervously. They wanted peace again. Elira felt heartbroken. She loved her magical friend. But she understood the fear. That evening, she made a decision. She took Varan to the forest. The trees whispered softly around them. "You must live free here," Elira said. "Away from human secrets." Varan looked at her sadly. "Will you forget me?" it asked. "Never," she replied with tears. But people are not ready for all truths. The bird spread its glowing wings. It understood her pain. "Truth needs wisdom," it said. "Not just voice." Varan flew into the sky. Its light faded among the stars. Elira watched until it disappeared. She returned to the palace quietly. Life slowly became normal again. People felt safe to speak. Smiles returned to the court. But Elira had changed forever. She learned an important lesson. Truth must be used with care. Years passed, and Elira became queen. She ruled with kindness and wisdom. She always valued honesty. But she never forced it. She listened with patience. She spoke with understanding. And she forgave when needed. Sometimes, she looked at the sky, hoping to see a flash of rainbow light. And she would smile, remembering her magical truth bird.